know that you've been doing wrong and doing wrong. Tell me that my heart ain't know that you ain't doing wrong and doing wrong. 'Cause I'm just so sick of
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special video for you guys. It's going to be all about this wig that you see on my head here, and we're going to get right into this video. So the company that we're looking at today is Ayiyi Hair. I did just want to say that this video is not sponsored, and I did purchase this wig with my own money. So the wig did come with a cute little goodie bag. So it did come with some lashes, a hair clip, a wig cap, an edge control brush, and then also another hair clip and a silk scarf. So jumping right into the details of this wig, I did purchase a 22-inch water wave 13x4 lace front wig. So as you see here, this is the hair texture. Wasn't too bad out of the package. It does have about 4 combs and an elastic band, which actually fit very nicely. And then of course you have the comb at the very back, and then the 2 on the sides and the 1 at the top. Okay sis, let me tell you about this wig right here. Basically, in this video, I'm going to show you how I made this wig work, because I really struggled and it just wasn't giving what it was supposed to give right out the package. So you guys are going to find out what I just went through. I videotaped everything. Please keep watching to find out. Okay, so this is what the wig looked like right out the package. This was the hair texture and this was the length. And straight away, I just want to tell you guys that this hairline was really messed up. It just did not fit. There was a heavy widow's peak, as you can see here, and the hairline went really far up on the sides. And anyone who does know me knows that my hairline actually goes down on the sides, and then it's at a regular spot at the very top. So I definitely had my work cut out for me. So I was really close to returning this wig, but I told myself that I was going to make it work, and I'm going to make sure to show you guys that whole process in this video. So yeah, so this is just another little close-up so you can see. This hairline kind of reminded me of mannequin head hairlines, the ones that have hair on it. Like, it's just really not realistic. I don't think many people really have a hairline like this, and it wasn't even as you can kind of see here. So it was really frustrating, and really the only way to fix it is to kind of cut into the front, which you guys will see. Other than that, the hair was really what I was looking for in terms of texture. And one thing I forgot to mention is that the ends were just a little bit thin, just for the last, I'd say, inch. So I did end up cutting that, and this is what the shedding was looking like the first time I put my hands through the hair. And I do want to say that this hair was shedding a lot more than I liked, a lot more than I think I've ever experienced in a wig, especially a curly wig. But I still made it work, and I just wanted to show you a close-up here of the scalp. I realized that there was some, I guess, balding. Basically, the lace at the front of the head was sparse in some areas. Right there at the front, as you can see, it's like the hair was already shedding, and I feel like that's where the shedding was coming from. I kind of ignored it only because I knew I was going to be cutting into it, but the way that it was shedding straight out the pack definitely is a red flag for me. But I guess you do get what you pay for. I would say this is probably one of the cheapest curly wigs that I've ever purchased, and because I did forget to mention, I did spend about $224 Canadian on this hair. So I'm gonna let the rest of the video play, and I'm gonna show you guys what I did to make this wig work for me, because when I tell you this wig was a struggle, I literally was not lying, and I really feel like I did some magic on this hair. So please watch, let me know how I did, and please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you guys have any other questions, please let me know, and don't forget to thumbs up this video.